yung a bit,
I guess it just so happens na yun yung naging yun yung naging status quo namin ngayon. And I mean, as things move along, as time goes by, I guess things change. So I guess eventually time will change things. And baka may bring statement. I mean, it has already changed from the very beginning. So I, like I said, things still remain very constant with me and her. We're friends, still at the very least. But at the same time, any other questions after that statement would be things I can't confirm or deny at this point.
maybe because you want to keep it private in a way, I guess.
I the thing is, I stand by the statement. When it comes to me and her, I stand by the statement, and whatever people see is what they get on Instagram,
Okay.
on Twitter, on social media.
New Year's resolution.
New Year's resolution, just live life to the fullest. I usually always have around the same New Year's resolution. Live life to the fullest, just try and keep on learning. Because at the end of the day, I mean, lahat naman tayo yung mga diet. Ginagawa naman rin natin bago mag-summer, may sinasabi natin yun. Bago magpasukan, sinasabi natin yun. Bago mag-Christmas, sinasabi natin yun. So usually I stick to something that I live out. And that's trying to keep